From the dawn of humankind to a mere 400 years ago, all that we knew about our universe came through observations with the naked eye. Then Galileo turned his telescope toward the heavens in 1610. The world was in for an awakening. Ever since Galileo peered through one of the earliest telescopes and observed spots on the sun, humans have been making observations and asking a lot of questions about the nature of the universe. When we look at the night sky, we see stars and the nearby planets of our own solar system. Many of those stars are actually distant galaxies and glowing clouds of dust and gases called nebulae. The universe is an immense space with distances measured in light years. Engineers design tools that help us analyze the mysteries of the universe. They design instruments and spacecraft to explore and investigate our solar system and beyond, including black holes and other phenomena of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope is a space telescope that was launched into low Earth orbit in 1990 and remains in operation. Hubble orbits outside the distortion of Earth's atmosphere, which allows it to take extremely high-resolution images with negligible background light. Hubble has recorded some of the most detailed visible light images ever, allowing a deep view into space and time. This is the deepest, most sensitive astronomical optical image ever taken. The faint light spots in this Hubble Space Telescope image are distant galaxies about 13 billion years from Earth. The universe contains billions of other galactic neighborhoods made up of trillions of stars, nebulas, quasars, planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. The current theory of how the universe came into being is that somewhere between 10 and 20 billion years ago, a huge explosion occurred that caused the universe to expand suddenly, projecting matter outward from the center. This theory, called the Big Bang Theory, was first proposed in 1927 by Georges Lemaitre, a Belgian priest and scientist. Galaxies are clusters of billions of stars, nebulae, planets, and other objects held together by gravity. They can range in size from 1,000 light years across to 1,000,000 light years across. Some are shaped like spirals, others are elliptical, while others are called irregular or peculiar because they have no definite shape. Scientists are discovering that black holes form the center of many, if not most, galaxies, including our own Milky Way. A black hole is a region in space from which nothing, including light, can escape. Our solar system, with planets that orbit the Sun, is just a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is just a tiny part of the entire universe. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is spiral in shape, contains more than 100 billion stars, and is about 90,000 to 100,000 light years across. A large bulge at its center contains many stars. Our solar system is comfortably situated in one of the arms of the spiral, where the neighborhood is a little less crowded, about 25,000 light years away from the center. Matter is usually something we can see and touch. It takes up space and has mass. So-called dark matter is one of the greatest mysteries in the universe because it cannot be seen. We only know it is there because it exerts a gravitational effect on objects nearby. Scientists think that more than 90% of the matter in the universe is dark matter, which is significant in understanding the origin and destiny of the universe. As the mysteries of the space are solved and new questions arise, it is the challenge of the engineers to continue developing even better technologies to help answer them.